Okay, so I just replaced the boring bar. Before I had a right hand side boring bar. Now I'm gonna use a 1 inch 80 degree CNMG insert boring bar. So we're gonna reset it. The best way to remember and learn is doing the repetitive things. So eventually you get a hang of it, and it just becomes like an automatic thing. We're also gonna be cutting these jaws. So usually when I buy these jaws, some of them I try to use the both sides. So we're gonna be cutting these. So I'm gonna show you how to also if you don't know. Um, so like previously you've done it, arrow back, tool data, and the blue highlighted tool we're on, it's a general in, so it's a boring bar. Except this is a different size of boring bar. Before it's a 0.37. So that was 3/8 actually, which is a 375. But like I said, the 5 you cannot put, so you can use numbers, so I just rounded it up. Uh, so previously, same thing. The tool is grayed out, so that means you cannot change the grayed out things. You can only change things that are white. So we go to only option on the bottom, which is actually sorry. So let's go here. Now I gotta leave. Okay, tool, highlight. You press the highlight 10, edit, and tool data assigned. So we have general, N, which is good. Now nominal, it's asking you the nominal of a tool. Since this is a 1 inch tool, we're gonna call it 1. But like I said, if you wanna keep things simple, this is a station 10, so you can call this as a tool 10, but you have to remember, that's in the station. If it's 12, it's not really hard to forget, but to me, like I said, I like to keep it simple. So this is gonna be 1 because it's 1 inch. Now ID code, you can call it B for a boring bar. This is what I'm gonna call it. If you have more than 1 inch, you can call it, R for roughing, F for finish, X and Z. We don't care about that because we're gonna set it to a sensor. Current directions. So cutting directions, it was set to the right. Now we're going left. So over here we have pictures to see how the boring bars look like. So we're cutting left. Nose radius, this is a 16,000 radius, so 15.6. So enter. Width of the shank is going to be 1 inch. Cutting angle is 93 degrees. Edge angle 80 is fine. And work comps, well, let's put it from a 0. So when you're lowering the arm, make sure the turret is all the way up on X. Tool data, tool measure. Once I'll press it on, the arm comes down. Always make sure if you're gonna do this, you don't have a long material, because you're gonna crash the arm into the workpiece. The older models, they would just bounce back. The new ones are on servo motors, from what I was told. So you might cause a damage, but I'm not sure. So we put on the handle 1000. On the Nexus, it can be 100, so the fastest one. Okay. Now we go tool measure. What's cool about the new Smooth G is that, like, once you press the tool measure, automatically, the hand goes to 1, and it's easy to remember. And I never go straight to the arm. I back out first, like I said before, and then go forward just to make sure I don't crash or it's not in the rapid. And same thing, never to forget, I always do my Z first, and then I'll always do my X second. Okay, same thing. So 100 on the X now because we're close. to measure. Go down, go up, and the values change. So now we're gonna back it up far enough to make sure the arm is clean here. MSR off. Once I press it, measuring tool goes back in the house.